Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Titan, the place where you can find out everything you want to know, everything you have to know about your favorite coin and about your favorite token. And in today's video, I'd like to show you how you can actually buy Avalanche or AVAX using your Binance platform. It's actually really simple. There are 3 ways to do that, actually more than 3 ways, but we're going to stick to those 3 because they are the most simple. Why? Well, I'll show you right now. First one is, for example, if you don't have anything in your wallet, if you want to fund your account using fiat currencies, so they can go there, click here on buy crypto, bank deposit or credit card. Credit card is more convenient in my opinion. And then let's say I want to buy using $30, and then you have to find AVAX here. AVAX, so this is the amount of Avalanche you will get. So click on continue, then add new card. You can choose Visa or MasterCard, and that's it. You are good to go. The other way is to use Convert. That is maybe the most easiest way. Personally, I'm not using it because the exchange rate will be a little bit lower when you do this way. So let's say you want to spend USDT and you want to buy AVAX. Here we go. Enter the amount, minimum is $20, preview conversion, and this is the amount of AVAX you will get for $20. Third way is to go to the classic market. So click here, classic, and then you need to find, for example, if you want to spend USDT here, you have to find AVAX. Just type AVAX and you will find the pair. So this method is really good, especially if you if you're waiting for a lower price, but you cannot be near computer like all the time. For example, I don't like this price, but if it goes back to $90, I'll buy it, and then you can save the amount I want to buy for, let's say $90, and that's it. You will get 1 AVAX in case the price goes down. So you have an order. So once the price goes down to 90, your order will go through. Of course, if you don't want to set an order, you can buy it right now. So take a look at the current price, 96.777. Just in case, you can put a little bit higher if you want your order to go through immediately. Let's say 78. So in case you don't want to wait, it doesn't mean you will spend more, but you simply don't have to wait. And then the amount of USDT you want to spend, let's say $100, and that's it. Click on buy and your order will go through immediately. Okay guys, let me know in the comment what you want to see next, and until next video, please invest smart.